Okay, let's
Hello? Hello? Hello?
yes, perfect.
Okay, awesome. Okay, so I want to talk about some testing products too. So I've been testing a few products, but I stopped a little bit. And I was wondering, so I've been watching the videos that you posted. They're pretty helpful. And it talked about like, I'm on a budget, so I'm going to test with more budget KPIs. So uh, I want to talk about like days length. So when I'm testing a product, do I do I go on like I put on like test one product a day and I keep it on for 4 days, or is it like past break even point and I cut it? So it, what do I
KPIs.
KPIs? So if I'm tasting a product and like say my break even point is like $20, and if like it goes above it and I'm not getting like a lot of views and stuff, I cut it, right? So we're not going off of like keep it on for 4 days or whatever, right?
We're going off the cost per click KPI or cost per view content, cost per add to cart
Awesome.
KPIs, and the cost per purchase KPI.
Okay. All right. Awesome. Thank you.
So what would happen is if your cost per clicks are super expensive on day one, you could technically kill the whole campaign within the first 12 hours if all six ad sets have very expensive clicks. Now, if they have cheap clicks, but they have pretty expensive add to cart, then you could probably kill the whole campaign in like 2 days. Now, if
Okay.
you have cheap clicks and cheap add to carts, but you're not getting purchases, then you'll probably have to run it to a break even point, which is 3 to 4 days. So
Okay. So
each
that's the
product can
one.
either run from 12 hours to 4 days before you kill it.
Okay, thank you.